Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly indispensable accessory for anyone relying on their Epson document cameras, the Kircuit AC adapter replacement. This isn't just any power brick. It's specifically designed to be a high-quality, 100% brand new replacement for several popular Epson models, including the DC-11, the DC-20, and the DC-10s, when you're presenting or digitizing important documents. One of the standout features of this Kircuit adapter is its broad input voltage range, spanning from 100V to 240V AC. This makes it incredibly versatile, not only as a direct replacement for a lost or damaged original, but also as an excellent travel companion. Imagine being able to power your document camera seamlessly, whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling internationally, without worrying about voltage stability. Its portable design further enhances its utility for those on the go, easily fitting into a bag without adding significant bulk. Beyond its compatibility and travel-friendly nature, the Kircuit adapter prioritizes safety and efficiency. It comes equipped with a built-in dynamic IC, a charger IC, and a power fuse. These integrated components work in harmony to ensure rapid charging capabilities while providing robust overcharge protection. This means users can plug in their valuable Epson document camera with peace of mind, knowing it's receiving stable power and is safeguarded against potential electrical issues. The wall mount design also keeps things tidy, preventing clutter around power outlets. The quality of this replacement unit is immediately apparent. It's engineered to meet the demands of continuous use, ensuring that your Epson DC-11, DC-20, or DC-10s document camera remains powered and ready for action whenever you need it. For educators, business professionals, or anyone who frequently uses these specific Epson models, having a dependable power adapter like this Kircuit offering is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. It ensures uninterrupted workflow and extends the life of your valuable equipment by providing consistent, protected power. This Kircuit AC adapter truly stands out as a smart investment for maintaining the operational readiness of your Epson document camera.
Video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.